Good morning, children. Let us continue history lesson 5, the kingdoms and also the kings and the republic. The in previous class I have explained about the Janapadas. Janapadas means Jana means the people where they are living in a small places, and they used to live in a small huts, and also the people used to grow different kinds of the crops. After growing the crops, they used to store their grains. Here they stores in the earthen pots. So they made earthen pots. Some of these were grey in color, others were red. One special type of pottery found at these sites is known as painted greyware. As is obvious from the name, these grey pots had painted design, usually simple lines and geometric patterns. The grey pots, one the picture also they have given in our textbook. The pots they store the grains and keep in the underground and close it. So for that earthen pots also with the design they used to make it. The next side heading is Mahajanapadas. About 2500 years ago, some Janapadas become more important than others, are known as the Mahajanapadas. The Janapadas become a small villages become a Mahajanapada. Small uh, kingdoms become a large kingdom. Now we can see that village, taluka, district, and the next one is the state. They are the kings also improve their land by ruling, by fighting with the other kings also. Here also Janapadas, small villages become a by improving of the population, by improving of the king's power, it becomes a Mahajanapadas. Some of these are shown on map 4. Most Mahajanapadas had a capital city. Many of these were fortified. This means the huge walls of the wood, bricks, or stone were built around them. So in map we can see some of the names also, like a uh, Kosala, Magadha, Vaishali, Avanti, and these are some of the places are there. Mahajanapadas. Janapadas are there, Mahajanapadas also are there. Mahajanapadas, the kings used to build all around their houses or around their place very big walls they used to construct. In here we can see that very big wall also. Here we can see the wall how they constructed in the Mahajanapadas. Forts were probably built because people were afraid of attack from other kings and needed protection. So the king is needed the protection. So they used to build the very big wall. Others should not come inside and any other kings not attack at any time, to protect themselves. Like this, very big walls they used to construct. In this, it is also likely that some rulers wanted to show how rich and powerful they are by building really large, tall, and impressive walls around their cities. The kings, if they want to show their greatness, they used to construct the very big walls around their cities. Also, in this way, we learn, and the people living inside the fortified area could be controlled more easily by the king also. So, we have fortified area around that particular area. When they are constructing the wall, for king also it is easy to rule the people, and the people also can listen to the king, and easily he can maintain the kingdom. Buildings such as huge walls required a great deal of planning. The king used to plan and construct the fortified area or very big walls around their kingdoms. Thousands, if not lakhs, or bricks or stones had to be prepared. This is turn meant enormous labor provided possibly by thousands of men, women, and children also. To construct the very big wall, the kings, all the men, women, and children also used to be uh, work as helping for construction of the very big wall, and resources had to be found for all of this to construct and to fortify and to protect their kingdom. The men, women, everyone is helping for the construction of the wall. The new Rajas now began maintaining armies. Soldiers were paid regular salaries and maintained by the kings throughout the year. And after the construction of their fortified area, very big walls, and later they have learned to protect their area by maintaining of the army system also by the king. And throughout the year, some payments were probably made using punch marked coins. You will read in the about the punch marked coins, and also the more about how the whom used the coins, everything it is given in the chapter 8 also. So children, janapadas and janapadas become a mahajanapadas, and how they maintain the mahajanapadas, the king how they showed their power, and the people also helped for the construction of the very big walls. Along with that, the kings also, by giving up the payment, by giving up the salary, they maintain the army system. So let us continue in the tomorrow's class. Thank you.